TrueCoach is a highly rated fitness coaching software with an overall rating of 4.5 out of 5 stars based on over 700 reviews on Capterra. Both coaches and clients find TrueCoach easy to use. It offers a comprehensive set of features, including an exercise video library, workout tracking, messaging, and payments. One of the standout features of TrueCoach is its excellent customer support. Users have praised the team's responsiveness and the periodic updates to the software. While TrueCoach has received positive feedback, there are a few areas for improvement. Some users have reported that the desktop site is clunky and difficult to navigate. This is an area where TrueCoach could make some enhancements. A few users have expressed a desire for more advanced programming features. Adding these features would further enhance the capabilities of the software. Overall, TrueCoach is a well-regarded fitness coaching software that offers a comprehensive set of features and excellent customer support. While there are some areas for improvement, it is a valuable tool for coaches of all experience levels.